So you want to go snowshoe hiking and you've never done it before, so you're at the exact same spot where I've been 1 week ago. In this video I would like to share my experience of my first snowshoe hike and maybe answer some questions you might have. So what is snowshoe hiking all about? First off, it's a great way to be outside and enjoy nature in winter. And it's also a good alternative if you're not that much into skiing or other winter sports. It is usually less crowded than all the famous ski resorts, so you can enjoy some peace and quiet on your own. And last but not least, there are a lot of well-maintained pre-marked paths where you can go as a beginner. So for all of you who haven't had a closer look on a snowshoe, let's start there. What is a snowshoe?
But it's just basically this plastic thingy. It gives you like a bigger footprint so you don't sink in the snow. And then you have this joint which allows to move your foot freely. So it's really comfy if you wear them, so you don't really feel it, because if you lift your foot, this whole thing just keeps sliding behind you. You have those extra thingies down here that give you the grip so you don't slip on ice. And every time you lift your foot like this, those spikes here just grab into the ice and you really don't feel like slipping at all. Airplane. Yeah, it's definitely better than without snowshoes.
We've seen a snowshoe now, and the next question is how to put them on. You do yourself a favor if you bring a warm and waterproof winter boot which is comfortable and provides good support for your foot. To attach the snowshoe to your boot, you just slide in your shoe and there are straps where you can adjust everything. Maybe the first time is a bit tricky, but I'm sure after a while it won't take you too long to put them on. After the snowshoes are on your feet, you just have to walk, and it doesn't take long until you get used to it because it's not that different from walking without snowshoes. You've got two poles to help you balance, and the only thing you need to pay attention is that you don't step on your own snowshoe.
And what is also really handy is this little bar here. So if you have really steep areas, you can put that up like this, and then your heel is just going this far, so you have like a little inclined angle. And so you still have the full grip even if it's going up really steep.
In the beginning I wasn't really sure if those snowshoes actually helped a lot because I could also just walk in my boots, so I decided to do a little test. There was this steep snowy hill and I walked it up and down, one time with my snowshoes and one time without them. Okay, let's take a look. On the left side with the snowshoes, I'm just going fast as a steam train. That looks brilliant, 10 out of 10. And on the right side I'm really struggling. I'm losing grip at every step and almost fell here, but I'm good. And also downhill it's the same. On the left side it's just like there was no snow at all. And with my boots I'm really having a tough time. That's no fun at all. That's no fun at all. At one point of our hike there was this part of the trail completely covered in ice, but even that is no problem for the snowshoes. In conclusion, I can say snowshoe hiking is a great way to spend some time outdoors during the winter. It is important that you pick out a route that matches your skills, and just make sure that you check the weather before you go and you bring all the essentials with you. Thank you very much for watching. For more outdoor inspiration and tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up. See you soon.